Those rising markets Susie just mentioned, not just this month, but all year, really, certainly figured in Twitter's tweeted announcement yesterday that it has submitted a confidential filing to begin selling shares to the general public. But social media stock offerings, like those in other industries, haven't all been winners. In fact, some have been anything but. Seema Modi looked at the numbers for us.
Tweeting, yelping, tagging. Social networking is certainly hot right now, but is it a smart investment? With Twitter announcing yesterday via Twitter that it had filed for an IPO, Wall Street is already drawing parallels between that company and other recent social media IPOs, many of which had rough starts. 4 months after Facebook listed on the public market, the stock had lost half its value. Analysts were skeptical of CEO Mark Zuckerberg's ability to make money off mobile devices. Similar story for Pandora, the internet radio site. Shares tumbled more than 18% in its first 3 months of trading due to a slew of downgrades and disappointing earnings. Groupon had a great listing, soaring on its first day as a public company. But then, the coupon site lost a staggering 86% in just 1 year. So what went wrong? One concern was Groupon's entire business model, which some analysts said had a low barrier to entry. But that was then, and this is now. Facebook, Pandora, Groupon, all up double digits over the past 3 months, thanks to more users, a streamlined focus on mobile, positive commentary from Wall Street, and Silicon Valley.
I think that with Facebook recovering, proving that mobile can generate revenues, it makes sense for me that they go out now and take advantage of this positive market.
And the street's growing appreciation for how broad social platforms can generate meaningful revenues could potentially help Twitter when it trades on the public market. But investors are paying close attention to how Twitter's IPO will be handled by Goldman Sachs.
For me, that's the question. What will Goldman Sachs do that Morgan Stanley screwed up in terms of the way they priced the IPO that essentially got Facebook to underperform for a while.
But there is one advantage that Twitter has: time. It may be a younger company, but Twitter has been able to learn from the trials and tribulations other social media companies have already had to face. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Seema Modi.